Are you ready to come aboard?
Aye.
Come wander around on the pirate ship, the Pieces of Eight. We do treasure hunts and cannon fire out here. The name is Pickpocket Pete. Say what? Pirate punch, delicious. Come on down to the pirate ship, shoot off cannons and drink some rum. Ahoy, you mateys! It's been a splendid trip full of treasure, cannon fire, mermaids, and pirate sword battling. We'll see you again. Come on down to the pirate ship. We're always doing a new fun adventure. Aye, aye, aye.